Hello, today I'm going to do chilled water ice experiment. First, fill this with water. Put this in the freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the water is now chilled. As you can see, the water is now turning into ice. As you can see, the chilled water turned into ice. The reason behind this phenomenon is because the water inside is super cold, where the temperature of the liquid is below its freezing point. Shaking it would cause nucleation. It is a process where the molecules in a liquid start to gather into tiny clusters, arranging in a way that will define the crystal structure of the solid.